Today, we're exploring Docker Compose, a game changer in container orchestration. With the ability to run your entire application stack in isolation, Docker Compose ensures a consistent and defined development environment. Spring Boot 3.1 introduced support for Docker Compose, which makes creating applications locally even easier, and today we will show you how to use it using the example of Postgres DB. First, we will configure our properties on the local and production environments using the new Docker Compose properties. It is also worth editing the task for launching the application to use the local profile by default. Now we will create our database, users, and add environment variables for Postgres. It is worth emphasizing that we use a special Postgres folder, entry point, to initialize the database. Finally, you need to define the Docker Compose file that will be executed when the application starts. In order to test our setup, we will create a database migration using Flyway.